It's been calling his profile.
Okay, what is your theory on Santa Claus?
Santa Claus is Charles Darwin.
Why?
Because how else could Charles Darwin have discovered all those species and how the theory of evolution works?
How did Charles Darwin get to the North Pole?
The sleigh. Stop.
You're a nerd.
He gets everywhere
You're a nerd.
He goes everywhere from the sleigh. No. Like, how else could he made the
Galapagos.
Island?
So
Yeah.
you went from Galapagos to the North Pole.
Yeah.
Why?
Like, he can't take a cruise ship, can he? Now he can. Like, that's because he discovered already.
Charles Darwin discovered cruise ships.
Yeah, he discovered the cruise ship too.
How did he discover cruise ships?
He has elves. What do you think he does with his spare time?
Oh my
You know, when they're done making the toys and crap, you know, they would make cruise ships. They would make new technology, and then they would give it to the U.S. government to make war bombs out of it.
Charles Darwin.
Yeah, Santa Claus.
So Santa Claus gives like warships.
Yeah.
Is that what
No,
you're saying?
He wants them to, like, you know, make it out of new age technology and farming techniques. Ooh. U.S. has to use bombs.
Why would Charles Darwin go around the world giving children toys?
So that he won't blow his cover. What are you asking these questions?
Hi.
Okay, anything else you want to say?
Yes, the Easter Bunny is Jesus.